Hello. I don't know whether you've watched the other videos on this website, but there's an important, relatively new problem that has come up with regard to transportation authority liability, and I've been asked to address that with you for just a minute. A transportation authority is really a semi-governmental agency that has been set up by statute. And to make a long story short, SMART or SEMTA would be a transportation authority. There is a statute which states that in the case of an accident involving a transportation authority, the authority must receive notice within 60 days of the incident. That's a very short time. 2 years ago, we had a very significant case in which the lady didn't even come out of a coma for 60 days. And she could certainly not have given the transportation authority notice during that period of time. That has become a problem because there is a similar statute involving roadway authorities, where an authority over a roadway, such as a county authority or the state of Michigan, must be given notice of a roadway claim within 120 days of the accident. Now, those are different than the statute of limitations. Okay, those are notice requirements as opposed to statute of limitations. Two different animals, but related. There is a case that came down from the Michigan Supreme Court with regard to roadway cases that says 120 days means 120 days. So it doesn't matter if you're in a coma, it doesn't matter if you're out of the country, it doesn't matter if there has been no prejudice to the roadway authority. If you were supposed to give notice within 120 days and you didn't, you can't bring the claim, even though you might have a year and a half to go under the statute of limitations. There are a lot of problems with that, and it troubles many of us that handle this area of the practice of law. But it's even more onerous as to transportation authorities, and we have found that many lawyers are not familiar with this. That led me to publish an article in the Oakland County Bar Association journal Latches on this subject, which I think has also been repeated or will shortly be repeated in the Detroit Legal News. Where a person has been injured and there is a transportation authority involved, which is almost always the case with regard to a bus, notice must be given within 60 days. I urge you to make certain that the attorney you consult is familiar with these problems and how to solve them. If we can help you in any way, please feel free to call us. All of our consultations are without charge. We are a contingency firm. We are only paid if we prevail. Therefore, we make it our business to prevail. Thank you.